Dracarys. I mean, we literally melted the first 2 pieces of vinyl, but they weren't this brand. Not this one. There was some cheap stuff. Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're reviewing Citadel vinyl flooring. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping in the videos are my sons, and it is Hunter. And we also have Joe working with us, no relation today. Wait, what am I forgetting? Am I forgetting someone? Joining me today is Whiteside, and we hear Max screaming in the background. He don't want to come into the camera yet, but he may join us if he feels like it. So we're out at one of my favorite clients' houses. This job started out as a stair railing and stair tread job, and now it turned into what? A vinyl floor job, my favorite. And today we're going to review and show you the vinyl floor that we installed. So without any further ado, let's hit it. This job started as just a stair job, and now it's turned into a vinyl flooring job and a stair job. So we have started the vinyl floor today. We're installing, it's called Sutton is the color. It's a really nice wide plank vinyl. So we're laying this room on a 45, also known as a diagonal. It's a way to dress up the room. If you're not sure which way to go, straight with the light, against the light, well, why not go on a 45, which is right in between both directions. It really dresses it up. A little bit more difficult to install. It takes a little bit longer, and you need to get 15% for waste instead of 5 or 10, because you're gonna waste more on your angle cuts. All your ends are gonna end up having these triangle pieces left over. But guess what? It makes a big difference. It looks more inviting when you walk into a room. And our tile on this job is also laid on a 45, so it matches the rest of the house. Now let's talk about the vinyl. And this puppy here, doesn't sound right calling it a puppy when I got a dragon here. But this vinyl has all the bells and whistles. STC and IIC 72 and 73. This thing is rated higher than most paddings on the market. This is great for upstairs, condos, you name it. It's gonna exceed most sound requirements by a lot. Cork rate's at 54. This is 73. Pretty serious stuff. But to me, it's all about the color and the width. And I love wide plank vinyls, 9 inches wide, textured finish. I love the color though. Can't always go gray, but it has a hint of gray, plus it's got a UV cured finish. It's gonna make it resistant to scratch, wear, stains, you name it. What more can you ask for? Lifeproof, watch out. This is one of my new favorite vinyls.
Perfect.
It's a nice looking floor. Okay. Doesn't it look good?
Beautiful up here.
It's bigger, right? And brighter?
It looks huge. What a difference. I walked through Home Depot and I was kind of looking at it and I thought, nope.
Yeah.
I got the best one.
It's got to be one of my favorite colors. We laid it on the 45-degree angle through the loft and hallway. And as you see how it just pyramids into the corner with that nice and cool angle, how it finishes up there. And then it just, when you look at it, it just flows so nicely. Now, because we laid it on the angle, it actually runs straight down this one section of hallway here, which is pretty cool. Now, the bedroom we did not put on a 45 because this is a different height. We didn't want to go through the expense of raising it. It's a separate area anyways. So we laid this one straight to kind of mix it up because we are going to have a molding in that doorway. I did give her the option to go moldingless, but we didn't go that route. So I suggested at least doing it the opposite direction if we're doing the molding. So it looks like it's for a reason. The seal of approval from a client is all I need to know it's a successful installation. We call it a 45, yep, but it is a diagonal installation. You go on an angle, the cross the room. Sometimes it works out if you're not sure. Sometimes you have light flowing a different way. Sometimes you just want to dress it up and give that little extra pizzazz, this may be the installation for you. I do it quite a bit, probably not often enough though. I try to recommend it whenever someone's not sure about which way to go. This is always a good compromise. If you really want to help support our work, we have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment. But the biggest and most important thing you do to help our channel and to help us grow is please share, like, and of course, if you already haven't, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, and do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. But thanks for watching.
Forest. No, it's not a cheap men's cologne. It's the Valerian word for dragonfire. Forest.
Hey, look who it is, guys. It's Maximo. He hasn't been on TV in a while. He's been on strike. No? Why? Oh, because we haven't been filming in my lab in the office upstairs. Hey, look who's your friend. Hey, all right. Let's go. Fine. Come on, you want to go eat? Let's go. Whoa. We're out. Know this. Greatest cat in the world.